Hey, hi. In Python, there are several numeric data types are available, which includes integer data type. So we call it as a positive or a negative number in it, or a whole number. So here I am just declaring a v underscore int variable and assigning a value as 10. Using a print and type method, I'm going to print the value as well as the data type of that particular variable in it. So it shows the result as integer. I'm just assigning the 10 as a value to that particular variable, right? So it is showing as a int. So likewise, I'm just declaring a float. So we call it as floating point number. It has a decimal point value in it. So here I'm just declaring a float v underscore float variable and assigning 100.89 value. So using a print and a type method, I'm just printing and checking the data type of that particular variable. It shows a float, right? So likewise, the another data type called a complex data type. It contains two things. One is the floating point value as well as the imaginary one. So here I'm going to declare a variable and assigning a value 2 plus 3j. So here 2 plus 3 comes under float and the j represents the imaginary one. Using the print and type method, I'm just printing and checking the data.